Hi, first grade, Miss Grace here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the story, The Day the Crayons Quit, if you were able to watch and listen along to that. So I'm here to share how you guys might be able to help somebody in need using crayons. So there's a company called the Crayon Initiative, and what that company does is they take your old and used crayons or crayons that you don't use anymore, and they melt them down and they actually make brand new crayons out of them. So they reuse your old crayons to make brand new crayons. And then they take those new crayons to lots of different hospitals. And the children who are in those hospitals who are sick or injured, they're able to use those crayons to kind of keep them busy while they're staying at the hospital. Okay? So the closest hospital to us that actually participates with this company is the Penn State Children's Hospital, and that is in Hershey. Where Hershey Park is. So I know personally, I have had family members, my nephews, my cousins who have spent some time in that hospital, some long time visits in that hospital. So I know that they probably would have appreciated some crayons or something to keep them busy while they were there. Okay, so what you can do is you can help by gathering some of your old crayons or ones that you don't use, ones that are really stubby, kind of like the blue crayon in our story, The Day the Crayons Quit. So any crayons that you don't use anymore, but make sure that you are asking your parents. Okay, you need to make sure that you're doing this with your parents. Don't just go grab crayons or things around the house or things that aren't yours. Okay, so make sure that mom and dad or grandma and grandpa knows what you're up to. And then you can start collecting some old crayons, okay? And once you have those crayons and you're ready to send them in, there is a link below my video that you guys can click, and that's going to give you the instructions of how to ship them to this company and what you need to do to ship them to this company. So if you're interested in helping out and helping with the Crayon Initiative, go ahead and click the link that's right below my video, and I wish you guys luck, okay? Have fun!